According to basic principles of network is the process of delivering a message from a source to the destination. Communication is the process of giving meaning to this message received. Computer network, it is a bunch of computers linked together, and it is a cost-efficient and reliable. It has a series as a good communication medium and network for people. Access to remote information, person-to-person communication, or interactive entertainment. Communication channels, a pathway over which information can be transferred, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any social. Information sent over a channel has a source from which the information assignates and destination to which the information is delivered. Haba naman yan. Nangangarag ako. Software. Software comprises a computer, program, supports module, and data modules. It can provide a computer with the instruction and data to carry out a specific type of task. Program. It is a set of instructions that solve a problem and carry out a task. What does software works? Translators. Converts instruction from a high-level language into machine language. Machine language, the only language that can be understood by a computer's microprocessors. Operating system. What does an operating system do? It can interact with application software, device, drivers, and hardware to manage a computer resources. Example of computer resources: processor, RAM, storage space, peripherals. How does operating system affect the appearance of a application software? It provides user interface tools such as menus or toolbars, buttons. Uses a graphical user interface. Concept: GUI. Quotations. It can provide a pathway to point and click a mouse to select menu option and manipulate graphical objects that are displayed on the screen. Where is the operator system? It can be small enough to be stored in RAM, handheld computer, and video game console. Can be quite large to be stored on a hard disk from a personal computer serves workstations, mainframes, and supercomputers. When do I directly interact with the OS? Launch program, customize the user interface, manage files, configure equipment, get help. Types of OS. Single user operating system deals within one set of input. Multi-user operating system deals within input, output, and processing from many users. Network operating system provides communications and routing system but allow computers to share data programs and peripheral devices. Multitasking operating system provides process and memory management services that permit two or more programs to run simultaneously. Thank you.